Welcome to the enchanting world of squirrels. Today, we're diving into the fascinating differences between two of the most well-known squirrel species, the gray squirrel and the red squirrel. Let's take a closer look.
If you are yet to hit the subscribe button, please do so in order to get notified as our videos drop.
The gray squirrel is a larger species, weighing between 1.5 to 2.5 pounds, characterized by its bushy tail and primarily gray coat with a soft white underbelly. In contrast, the red squirrel is smaller, typically weighing around 0.5 to 1.5 pounds. Its fur can range from bright red to subdued brown, featuring a striking white underbelly and a prominent bushy tail. These physical differences highlight the distinct characteristics of each species. Gray squirrels are highly adaptable creatures that thrive in a variety of environments, including deciduous forests, parks, and urban areas. Their ability to coexist with humans has allowed them to flourish in cities, where they often forage for food and find shelter in trees and buildings. In contrast, red squirrels, Sciurus vulgaris, prefer coniferous forests and mixed woodlands, where they primarily feed on pine cones and seeds. They are less common in urban settings, as they tend to avoid heavily populated areas. This preference for more secluded habitats makes red squirrels more vulnerable to habitat loss, but allows them to maintain their territorial behaviors in their natural environments. Both species play important roles in their ecosystems, contributing to seed dispersal and forest health. Gray squirrels are generally more social animals and can often be observed in groups, especially when foraging for food. However, they can exhibit aggressive behavior, particularly during mating season or when competing for resources. This social structure allows them to adapt well to urban environments, where food sources are abundant. In contrast, red squirrels are more solitary and territorial creatures. They fiercely defend their territory from other red squirrels and use distinctive vocalizations to communicate and assert dominance. This territorial behavior helps them secure vital resources in their preferred coniferous forest habitats. Understanding these differences in social structure and behavior is essential for appreciating the ecological roles both species play in their environments. Gray squirrels have a varied diet, eating nuts, seeds, fruits, and garden vegetables, allowing them to thrive in urban areas. In contrast, red squirrels primarily feed on conifer seeds, particularly from pine cones, and are more specialized in their food choices. This difference reflects their habitat preferences, with gray squirrels being more adaptable and red squirrels relying on forest ecosystems. Both species contribute to seed dispersal and forest regeneration. Gray squirrels are native to North America but have been introduced to various parts of Europe, where they have become invasive. Their adaptability and competitive nature have led to the decline of native red squirrel populations in these regions. In contrast, red squirrels are native to both North America and Eurasia, primarily inhabiting northern areas. They are more specialized in their habitat requirements, often relying on coniferous forests for food and shelter. The introduction of gray squirrels has significantly impacted red squirrel habitats and populations, highlighting the ecological consequences of species introductions. Finally, let's touch on conservation. In some areas, like the UK, red squirrels are considered endangered due to habitat loss and competition from gray squirrels. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these charming little creatures. So there you have it. While gray and red squirrels may share some similarities, they are truly unique in their own right. Next time you spot one, take a moment to appreciate the differences. Thanks for joining us on this furry adventure.